That's what. Because see this difference it's going to make. Much of nitrogen translocated in organic form through xylem. If it is only nitrogen, much of it is organic form. And altogether, if you take some organic nitrogen and hormones, so nitrogen becomes some extent in the xylem, but within the nitrogen, much is organic form. That's how, Nanas. Be careful here. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
And of course, it also causes water transport. It also causes minerals transport. So all the above. Which elements were only to some extent in organic form? Through
Sulfur and
Phosphorus
phosphorus.
and sulfur.
See the difference. That's where sulfur and phosphorus. Very good. Eighth one. All the following elements are remobilized in plants except. So
Calcium.
Calcium.
Calcium is immobilized. Remaining all are mobile elements. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Thank God he has not given sulfur. Then again, problem. As long as calcium is there, we don't go for looking for sulfur. Ninth, diffusion, of course. Does it require expenditure of energy? No. Is it rapid and active? No. It is in solids rather than of solids is more likely. Yeah, that was a tricky statement we were talking so many times about. So answer should be 3. Does it depend on living system? No, it can be in a living system. It can be in an open system also. What depends
Independent of living system.
It can be facilitated diffusion, active transport. Tell me, beta.
It is independent of living system, sir.
It is independent of living system. And you can't say diffusion cannot occur through living. It can occur through living also. For example, water diffusion through living. That is through water charge that are made up of 8 different aquaporins, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
10. The diffusion of any substance across a membrane depends on, it should
Solubility in lipids.
lipids. That is important. Solubility in lipids. Very good. Yeah, tell me that.
Question 8.
Yes, Nana?
So what is the answer for question 8?
Question 8, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, just a minute, Nana. I'll let it. Shit, again. Okay. Question 8 you are asking, right?
Yes, sir.
All the following are remobilized, means all the following are mobile elements except which one? You tell me, Nana.
Sir, calcium.
Yeah, because calcium is immobilized. Got it, Nana?
Okay, sir.
So 10th we have done. 11th, let's go to now. Which one of the following is correct? The water movement through root layers is ultimately apoplastic in endodermis. No, ultimately through endodermis it was symplastic. Second, xylem vessels are living conduits and so are the parts of the symplast. No, xylem vessels are dead cells. So they are not a living conduit forming. Then living thing forming, he means. No. Then root endodermis, because of the layer of suberin, has the ability to actively transport ions in one direction only through passage cells which don't have
Suberin.
Yeah, we don't have suberin. So that is right. And in fact, the transmembrane proteins there were control points, checkpoints where a plant will adjust the quality and quantity of the solutes required for it. Fourth one, symplastic movement occurs Only through intercellular, impossible. So should be 3 correct. 12. For a solution at atmospheric pressure, what are equal, Nana? Water potential.
Water potential and
Solute potential.
So the very first option. Then 13th. Which of the following is responsible for
Root pressure.
Root pressure. Oh, it is root pressure. High root pressure, low transpiration resulting in guttation through which point? Which parts, Nana? Which plant parts? Tips and
tips of the leaf.
of leaves. Only through tips and margins of leaves, Nana. Once it is guttation. Transpiration could be through young stems, could be through woody stem, through lenticel, can be through leaves. But guttation is always through the tips and margins of leaves, no other way. And it is like literally pouring water, solution form it is coming out. If it is transpiration, vapor form. Yes. Then 14th. Simplest includes, what was simplest, Nana?
Plasmodesmata and cytoplasm.
Alveolar membrane, the cytoplasm, the plasmodesmata. If it is so, cell wall, plasmodesmata, no, not cell wall. Cytoplasm is okay, but intercellular spaces, not okay. Intercellular spaces, cell wall, both are not okay. So plasmodesmata and cytoplasm of cells should be the answer. 15th, the net direction and the rate of osmosis depends on concentration and pressure gradient, we know. Even free energy gradient of water also we know. So matrix potential anyhow is totally different. That was due to imbibance matrix forces, which we call it. Then 16th, identify wrong statement. Oh, pinus seeds have an obligate association with mycorrhizae. Correct, it was. They don't germinate unless they associate with fungus. There are some plants, Nana, like that. Even in sandalwood plant, you take, Nana, it's a partial root parasite. Unless the roots associate, unless the seeds of sandalwood plant associate with the root of the host, they don't germinate. Problem? If they have germinated, they can't directly absorb water minerals. So they need to depend on the root of host. So they die. So that's why they don't germinate. Same is the case with pinus. Second one. All solutions have a higher water potential than pure water. Was it?
No, sir. Lower water potential.
That's it. So that is wrong. Means second option is correct. Solute potential of a solution is always negative. Yes. If the external solution is more dilute than cytoplasm, it is said to be hypotonic. Yes.
Sir.
Yeah. 17th. Force generated by transpiration can create pressure sufficient to lift a xylem
130 meters.
130 meters.
Over 130.
or vessel-sized water column up to a height of 130 meters. Very good. 18th. Porins that form large pores were
Outer
there.
membrane.
The outer
Outer
membrane
membrane
of
of plastids.
plastids, mitochondria, then membrane of nucleus. Sorry, membrane of bacteria. Inner membrane of mitochondria, no. Outer membrane of ribosome, the point doesn't arise. Ribosomes are amembraned. Inner membrane of bacteria, point doesn't arise. Bacteria have only one membrane.
Outer membrane.
Plastids should be the answer, means fourth one. 19th, which one of the following is not a method of short distance transport?
Translocation.
Yes. Active transport is short distance, cytoplasmic streaming short distance, diffusion is short distance. Three more were there. What were there, Anna?
Facilitate diffusion.
Facilitate
Imbibition.
diffusion.
Imbibition.
Yeah. Okay.
Translational
So answer should be 2, translocation. 20th. Simultaneous movement of two molecules across a membrane in the same direction is nothing but
Import.
import. 21st, matching. Tensile strength is, of course, ability to
resist pulling force.
attraction of water molecules and polar surfaces. Ability to resist pulling force.
Yes.
A3. How many are there, Nana? 2 options, second and fourth. So who will decide? B, I think, will decide.
Yes.
Cohesion, attraction of water molecules
To each other.
And polar surfaces.
to each other. Ability to polar surface and polar surfaces, of course. Actually, and surface
Attraction between water.
it should be attraction between water molecules.
Polar surface is addition.
Yes, beta. So should be B4.
Both
Then
options.
capillarity should be.
Ability to rise.
Now it is clear. It is fourth option. Ability to rise as a thin film. Then adhesion is water molecules
Mutual
and
attraction.
Polar.
yes. So should be fourth option. 22nd, which of the following takes place by active transport? Loading of sucrose at the source.
Yes.
Loading of sucrose at the source. It should have been into the phloem, would have been more. It's okay. Unloading of sucrose at the sink. By phloem it is actually. They should have
It is
mentioned.
not mentioned.
That should be there. So anyhow, we take it for granted. It is through phloem, in which case both are correct. Third, unloading of mineral ions at the vein ends. That was passive. That was through xylem.
Yes.
So first and second are through phloem. That is 1 and 2 should be correct. If that is the case, answer is 4. 23. Select correct statement. Ascent of sap occurs through phloem. It is
Xylem.
through
Xylem.
in guttation, water is lost in liquid phase.
True.
Yes, liquid phase only. Root pressure is due to passive absorption of minerals. Never.
All.
Pressure potential is usually negative. No, positive. Should be second option. 24th. Plant factor that affect transpiration among the following
Canopy.
is.
Canopy.
structure.
Yeah, wind is environmental, humidity is environmental, temperature environmental, canopy structure, amount of shoot system exposed. All herbs form one stratum, shrubs form one stratum, trees form another stratum. Canopies. 25th. Which of the following is a prerequisite for imbibition? Sushara, now the statement from
Both
NCR.
one and two.
Prerequisite was affinity between adsorbent and the liquid imbibed. First one is okay. Second one, water potential gradient between the absorbent and liquid imbibed. Actually, that should have been treated as essential one. Isn't it, Nana?
Yes.
Prerequisite, if it is the question, we should take one only answer, Nana. What is given the answer for 25th?
We don't know.
Don't
We
know.
don't know, sir. Still.
Sir, this question came earlier as well. Question came before, sir. It came as both of them, the answer.
Aisha, how can it be better?
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
but
Both
actually in the
are correct,
textbook,
na, sir. But
Both are
yes,
correct.
sir, in the textbook, they've mentioned that.
In the textbook, it was mentioned that becomes ambiguous then. So it
No,
is
sir, in the textbook, they've said it is also a prerequisite. The affinity between.
Yeah.
Also, which means like the previous point is also included in it. So
if
both
it is
of them are right.
I agree. If it is said also, then it's okay. We take both into for granted. But see, Nana, this kind adaptation, orientation to textbook, that's very, very important for you. So you got the clarity at least now.
yes.
That's important. 26th. Select a mismatch. Copper Overall metabolism in plants. Yes, it was given for copper overall metabolism. That is correct match. Boron, carbohydrate translocation. Yes, sugar
Boron.
Sugar translocation.
Yeah. Chlorine, nitrogen metabolism. No way connect.
Molybdenum.
Yes, it was molybdenum. Zinc synthesis of IAA is okay. So should be third, a mismatch.
Yes.
Then 27th.
The left side.
Okay, no. 27th, let us see. Identify incorrect match with regard to mineral and its form of absorption.
Molybdenum.
Molybdenum.
Molybdenum is
Cation.
MOO2. MOO2 plus 2 it was, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is a mismatch. Chlorine Cl minus, sulfur SO4 minus 2, calcium divalent cation Ca plus 2. Yeah, it should be first one. Very good. 28. The deficiency symptoms of calcium is first visible. Immobilized, no, Nana? So first in
Young tissue.
leaves. Young tissues, young leaves. Older leaves, older or senescent leaves. Older leaves, senescent leaves both mean same. So it should be
So
second.
that's my fourth option.
Yeah. First,
Second option, no, sir.
second option, Nana, they are immobilized, no? Their
Yes,
symptoms
sir.
first appear in young leaves, okay?
No, so you're saying older and senescent leaves. That's why I said they give fourth to confuse us.
Yeah, suppose if it was deficiency symptom of a mobile element, then answer could be 4. Older and senescent, actually they are synonyms, almost the same. 29th, which of the following pairs of elements is involved in splitting of water and liberate oxygen? In fact, there was
Manganese, chlorine.
manganese, chlorine, calcium. So here, pair, if it is manganese and chlorine, if it is the second option. 30th, for its activity, catalase is required.
Iron.
Catalase requires iron. Yeah, metal ion cofactor of catalase. 31st, which one of the following is not the function of magnesium? Yeah, required for DNA RNA synthesis, maintaining ribosome structure. It is required. Normal function of cell membrane. No. Which elements were required for normal function of cell membrane, Nana? Calcium, boron.
Calcium and boron.
Yes.
Calcium and boron.
So should be not the function means third option. Correct. 32. Which is correct about beneficial elements? Oh, triple SC. Sodium, silicon, selenium, cobalt. First category is only all beneficial elements. Second, they are not essential. Oh, correct. No, they are not essential. They are required by higher plants. Yeah, they are required by higher plants. Oh, all the above. No. Fourth option then. 32 should be fourth option. 33. In which of the following all the three are micronutrients? Boron, calcium, chlorine. In boron, calcium, chlorine, calcium is macro. Second, manganese, phosphorus, cobalt. Phosphorus is molybdenum, manganese, magnesium. Magnesium is macro. Zinc, iron, copper. Yes, all the three are micro. Iron, zinc, manganese, copper, the fertilizers requirement of micro essential elements right now. 34th, statement 1. Plants obtain copper in the form of cuprous. Was it cuprous? Thick ion, divalent Cu plus 2. So, statement 1 wrong. Statement 2. Plants obtain iron in the form of ferric ions. Very good. That is right.
Yes.
So, statement
Fourth
2.
option.
Fourth option.
Correct. Statement 1 incorrect. Statement 2 is correct. So, should be fourth option. Next, 35th. Oh, Two-column match. Membrane functioning. Which elements, Nana? Calcium and boron both are applicable actually. So if it is A2, A3 both are okay. Oh, there is one given A3. There is another given A2. Let us see. B may be able to decide. Anion cation balancing is potassium. My God. B1 is there for both. First option, fourth option. C. Let us see. C may decide. Component of nitrate reductase molybdenum 4. So where is 4 now? Yeah, fourth option then. If it is fourth option, then we take A as 3, boron. Then what for calcium he has given?
Formation of mitotic
Mitotic spindle.
Mitotic spindle is the case. Very good, right now. So should be fourth option correct. 36. The deficiency symptoms of iron, calcium, and magnesium are due to
Manganese.
toxicity of manganese. What were symptoms for toxicity of manganese, Nana?
Brown spots.
brown spots surrounded by chlorotic veins.
Yes, brown spots surrounded by chlorotic veins, and that are actually deficiency symptoms of
Iron, calcium, and magnesium.
calcium, iron, magnesium. So, first option correct. 37th, deficiency of potassium, copper, magnesium, and calcium.
Necrosis.
Remember, Nana, 3 CMs and 1
And
copper.
1 copper.
Calcium, magnesium, potassium, and copper. That is for chlorosis. Sorry,
Necrosis.
necrosis. Yeah. Delay of flowering, cell division, inhibition, chlorosis. What were common for these three, Nana? Nitrogen, sulfur,
Molybdenum, nitrogen, potassium, and sulfur.
Potassium is not for delay of flowering, better.
Nitrogen, sulfur, molybdenum.
Nitrogen,
Yes.
sulfur, molybdenum.
Molybdenum.
If you add potassium, then you should restrict to second and
Chlorosis.
third.
Yes.
Second, third, yes. 38th. Any mineral ion concentration in tissues is considered to be toxic when
Decreases dry weight of about 10%.
By about 10%.
decreases the dry weight of tissue by about 10%. Second option is right. And range, if it is talking about critical toxic concentration range, was it narrow or wide?
Wide.
Wide. Optimum concentration of micronutrients is
Narrow.
narrow. But critical toxic concentration of
It is
micronutrients
wide.
wide, depending on the element and the plant. 39th, select incorrect statement. Calcium is the activator of carboxylases. Was it? No.
No, sir.
Essential for pollen germination. Yes, it is essential for pollen germination. That is correct. Magnesium is a constituent of ring structure of chlorophyll. Correct. Potassium helps in opening, closing stomata. Correct. So first one only is incorrect answer. That is 48th. Plants require phosphorus for cell membranes. Yes, they require nucleic acids. Yes, they require some proteins. Yes, they require. If it is so, all
Proteins.
Yes, Nana. Then 41. Which of the following is always a passive process? Oh, entry of ions into inner space, always passive. Correct. This is they should have mentioned it. Ions into inner space. Yeah, it is across the wall. Always passive. Correct, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Simplest.
Ions into free space.
Ecoplast active.
Again that only. Entry or exit of ions from simplest. No, that is not the case.
Second.
Second option. Yeah, but inner space is cytoplasm. So it should be second option, that is passive. Remaining all are active. Then 42nd, hydroponics has been successfully employed, a technique for commercial production of all the below except which one, Nana?
Apple.
We know seedless cucumber, lettuce, tomato. 43rd. Which of the following is incorrect about macronutrients? All are generally present in large quantity in plant tissues than trace elements. How much was the quantitative requirement? Nana? Excess to 10 mmol Kg to the power -1 of dry matter. They are more in number than micronutrients. Yeah, they were 9, whereas micro were 8. All are absorbed from the soil as mineral. Was it?
No, sir.
No, sir. Non-CHO.
6 only were absorbed as minerals. 3 were in the molecules form actually. And all are essential elements. Okay. So all are essential, that also we know. So 3 should be incorrect. Means that answer. 44th. Select the incorrect statement with respect to girdling experiment. What is done in girdling, Nana? Phloem is removed as a ring. A ring of bark up to the depth of the phloem is removed from the tree trunk. Yes, it was correct. He's asking for incorrect. Oh. In the girdled plant, roots die first. Yeah. First root and then shoot. 3. It shows that xylem transport is bidirectional. Was it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Nothing to do with xylem. It has nothing to do with xylem. So that becomes incorrect statement. 4th, if it is used to identify the type of tissues which transport food. Yeah, that is to prove phloem is required for food transport. So 3 is incorrect statement, should be the answer. 45th and the last, identify the correct statement. Only macronutrients form components of fertilizers. Was it?
No.
Micro also were there in fertilizers. Osmotic pressure is equal to osmotic potential, but the sign is opposite. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
it's correct. 3rd, let us see now. During plasmolysis, water is first lost from the vacuole, then from the cytoplasm. Was it? It is
No,
first from the cytoplasm, from the vacuole. Plants absorb nitrogen from soil, mainly in the form of ammonium ions. What was main form? Nitrogen.
NO3 minus.
NO3 minus. So, second option is correct. Very good, Nana. All
Sir, can you please explain 11th one, sir?
11th question, Nana. Sure, beta. Which one of the following is a correct statement he is asking, right? The water movement through root layers is ultimately apoplastic in the endodermis. In the endodermis, was it apoplastic or symplastic, Nana?
Simplest.
Symplastic. Symplastic. So that is not correct. Second option, xylem vessels are living conduits. What? Xylem vessels are dead tissues, Nana. Say they don't form a living thing through which water is moving. So are the parts of symplast. So no, it is not a living thing. So it cannot be part of symplast. So second is incorrect again.
Sir, first and 33rd.
Huh?
First question, sir.
First question and 23rd. Okay, beta. After I finish. Then third option, Nana. Root endodermis, because of the layer of suberin, has the ability to actively transport ions in one direction. Got this point, beta? Reason is, when all the cells in the endodermis are impermeable because they have suberin, only passage cells without suberin were allowing movement. If allowing movement or restricted points, possibility is only one direction movement. That is what the meaning here, Nana. Got it, beta?
Once can you explain, sir?
There is no chance of reverse way movement, Nana. Because unless the one-way movement is stopped, the opposite movement chance, will it be there, beta?
No, sir.
No, that's how it is preventing. It is allowing only entry and not allowing exit. Got the point, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Because limited number of cells are there which allow the movement. And if it is so, moving automatically, water is moving from its high to its low. And is there a chance for water to move from inside to outside? Means no, it is not there. So unidirectional movement. So third is correct better. Then fourth option, if it is symplastic movement occurs exclusively through intercellular. No, it is through plasmodesmata, cytoplasm, membranes, not the cell wall or intercellular space. So third was your doubt, Nana. Got it better?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
First somebody was, who was that? Who was that, Nana, asking for first and 23rd?
So me, sir, Ishant.
Okay, Ishant, right, Nana. So first one, which one of the following statements is incorrect statement? Transpiration mainly takes place through stomata in plant. That we know it, Nana. Transpiration was three types actually. Stomatal, cuticular, lenticular. Which was bulk out of these three, Nana? Stomatal. So that is the main means. Second option, rate of transpiration is usually more in the lower surface than in the upper surface in a dorsiventral leaf. That is correct. Dorsiventral leaf, stomata are more in the lower side than in the upper side. Naturally, transpiration will be more from lower side than from upper side. Got it, Nana?
Okay, sir.
Then third, cellulosic microfibrils are oriented longitudinally in the cell walls of God cell. They were actually radially extending in the walls of God cells, Nana. That is what is incorrect statement. That was actually radially extending from inner side to outer side. Longitudinal means vertically oriented, it should be, no? So it can't be longitudinal. That's why it is incorrect. And fourth is correct. As you know, opening and closing stomata occur due to turgor changes in the God cells. When they become turgid, stoma opens. When they become flaccid, stoma closes. Got it, Nana? How the answer incorrect is third?
Yes, sir.
Next is 23rd.
Sir, 33rd.
Huh? 2, 3.
33rd.
3, 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, 33. Right? Which are the following? All the three are micro-essential elements. First case, boron, calcium, chlorine. Are all the three micro, Nana? Calcium is a macro in this group. So can't be the answer. Got the clue?
Yes, sir.
Then manganese, phosphorus, cobalt. Out of these three, phosphorus is again a macro. So all the three are not micro that way. Third option, molybdenum, manganese, magnesium. In this case, magnesium is a macro. So all the three cannot be micro. Fourth option, you take. All the three are micro essential elements. Zinc, iron, copper. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Rita. Any more, Nana?
Sir, for what potential, so we should take prerequisite as both concentration rate.
Now, as per that, unless he goes as it is with the same sentence, essential, water potential gradient is essential, then we go by that. If not, because he said also prerequisite, we take both of them as prerequisite for imbibition. Got it, Nana?
Yes.
That's how. We take, because he said also prerequisite. Naturally, also when he said we should take the previous one, the one which he said essential, also we take it as prerequisite, Nana. Unless he goes by the statement as it is. Okay, Nana? Any more, please? Any more, please? That's all?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll start with nitrogen metabolism better, because we are left with 4 minutes. It's all right. So shall we stop here, Nana?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll close it.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir, bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
Anas.
sir. Bye, sir.
Tomorrow, see you tomorrow.